Good morning. This video is of lesson 9. Previously we studied the human respiratory system, and now the topic is exchange of gases. We all know that oxygen rich air enters the nose through the nostrils and it goes through the trachea to the lungs, and inside the lungs trachea divides into two bronchi, and inside the lungs bronchi further divides into bronchioles, and finally the air sacs. So exchange of gases within the respiratory system can be given in a step manner. First, ऑक्सीजन रिच एयर आती है नोज़ में, और नोज़ में हेयर होते हैं जो कि फ़िल्टर करते हैं हमारे एयर में जितने भी डस्ट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं और जहाँ जर्म्स होते हैं. देन इनहेल्ड एयर, it passes through the larynx and the trachea and then into a pair of bronchi. After bronchi it goes to bronchioles और फिर एयर जाती है alveoli में. alveoli मैंने बताया था आपको जो tiny air sacs होते हैं within the lungs. So these alveoli is the site where exchange of gases take place. Now what happens when the exchange of gases take place? Oxygen is absorbed from the alveoli and it combines with food to break it. So once the oxygen combines with the hemoglobin also in the blood to form oxyhemoglobin, so oxygen is transported by all the blood cells in the form of oxyhemoglobin. That means ऑक्सीजन और हीमोग्लोबिन आपस में मिलके ऑक्सीहीमोग्लोबिन बनाएंगे. अब क्या होगा, जो सेल्स में जो ऑक्सीजन होगा वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट को ब्रेक डाउन करके हमें प्रोडक्ट्स देगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर प्लस एनर्जी, जो मैंने आपको एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में बताया था. कंप्लीट ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ फूड होता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. नाउ this oxygen causes carbohydrates in the food to break down completely into the carbon dioxide and water and energy which we get, that is used for various daily metabolic activities like running, going, sleeping, all these energy, all these activities energy used. So respiration is of two types, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is carried in the presence of oxygen and anaerobic respiration वो होती है जिसमें ऑक्सीजन एब्सेंट होता है. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन में हम देखते हैं कंप्लीट ब्रेक डाउन होता है, फूड पूरी तरह से बर्न होके हमें एनर्जी रिलीज करता है बहुत सारी. बट इन anaerobic respiration there is incomplete breakdown of food and less amount of energy is released. Aerobic respiration mostly plants and animals including human beings, they carry out aerobic respiration. And anaerobic respiration का example है जैसे बैक्टीरिया है, फंगाई है, they produce carbon dioxide plus alcohol. So next is respiration in plants. You know, like animals, plants also breathe. They also need air to breathe, and they breathe through stomata. Stomata are present on the underside of leaves. So these stomata, they are minute poles, and they are their structure, they are kidney shaped cells which are known as guard cells surrounding by a stoma inside. So these guard cells will help in opening the stomata and closing the stomata. Stomata open भी होते हैं और close भी होते हैं. So each stoma is surrounded by two guard cells which control the opening as well as closing of stomata. Now in some case, roots also help in respiration, the respiration of plants. And when the respiration is carried out by roots, it is called root respiration. That is why the soil needs to be ploughed and loose करते हैं ताकि एयर जो है कुछ हवा सॉइल में ट्रैप करे, जिससे रूट्स को भी रेस्पिरेशन के लिए एयर चाहिए होती है. Now what happens in case of aquatic animals? You know the word aquatic means water. जो aquatic plants होते हैं उनको ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से मिलती है? उनको ऑक्सीजन जो वाटर में डिसॉल्व होती है वहाँ से मिलती है फॉर रेस्पिरेशन. सच प्लांट्स डायरेक्टली एक्सचेंज गैसेस विद द वाटर. वहाँ पे कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं चाहिए, कुछ नहीं चाहिए, डायरेक्टली एक्सचेंज होता है गैसेस का विद द वाटर surrounding their leaves, stem and roots. So there is one activity which shows that stomata are needed by plants to grow. Now what happens, what we do in this case, materials required are petroleum jelly, any leafy plant such as rose or China rose. Then what we will do, we will first keep the plant in the dark for कुछ दिनों के लिए हम प्लांट को डार्क रूम में रख लेंगे और फिर उसके बाद उन दोनों के लीव्स में हम अंडर कोटिंग कर देंगे विद पेट्रोलियम जेली के साथ. और फिर एक प्लांट को फिर हम सनी विंडो में रख के ये ऑब्ज़र्व करेंगे कि जो दो लीव्स हमने कोट करे थे विद पेट्रोलियम जेल, दे बिगिन टू डाई, क्योंकि उनको लीव्स को एयर नहीं मिली and they didn't survive, and the other leaves which were not coated with this petroleum jelly, they were able to survive. This is because the underside of the leaves which contains stomata is covered with petroleum jelly, and there was no exchange of gases, and these leaves could not get air to survive. So today we have studied about respiratory exchange, aerobic and anaerobic respiration plants, and one activity in which we have observed that stomata are needed by plants to respire. Next, thank you.